Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about a framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to create data table with sorting of columns, ascending and descending order of account in LWC component. So friends, follow the step to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow three type of steps. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So friends, in the step number one, first we need to create a lightning app. Here I create my lightning app, LWC app. This is a custom app. Then move on the step number two. In the step number two, click on the gear icon, edit the page. Once edit the page, here we will be call my LWC component. So in the step number three, we will be call my LWC component to custom app. So friends, in the LWC component, here I am displaying data table with sorting column by ascending and descending order in LWC. So friends, here we will fetch the data of account object and here we will be sorting the column ascending and descending order in LWC component through Apex class and JavaScript file in LWC component. So now let me move on the Salesforce org. Here we will be see lab demo scenario, how to create a data table and how to sort column by ascending and descending order in LWC. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my LWC component. I open my LWC component into the Lightning Studio. This is a component name of the LWC sorting data table. This is a component JavaScript. This is a component MetaXML file, and this is a Apex class controller. So friends, in this lesson, we are displaying list of account record in the Lightning data table. So friends, if you creating a Lightning data table, some attributes property are mandatory like data, column, key, field, sort by, sort direction, on sort, and handle checkbox column. So friends, you can see here I am passing data. This is a attribute property and data store out of the record that is coming from the Salesforce column. Column, I define the column of the object. So in this lesson, we are retrieving the data of account. So column will be defined inside the JavaScript of the account field. Then I am passing key field. It is a mandatory if you are using a linear data table. So here I am passing ID. Then I am applying an attribute sort by, and inside the bracket I am passing a variable sort by. Sort direction. Here I am applying inside the bracket sort direction. These are the variable dynamically created inside the JavaScript file. And also I am creating a function. The function I am passing to the onSort. So onSort is a attribute property inside the onSort. I am passing a function. The function name is a handle sort account data. Handle sort account data. It is a function name that is created inside the JavaScript file. After that, I am passing a hide checkbox column. So friends, if you using a Lightning data table, left side column automatically display checkbox. So if you want to hide the checkbox, you need to pass the hide checkbox column boolean true. So friends, now let me move on the JavaScript file. This is a JavaScript file, friends. So in the JavaScript file, here you can see first I am importing the method name. So this is a controller name, this is a method name. So this is the import variable. So this is the import. First I am importing the method name. So I am importing the method name using the @Salesforce Apex controller name dot method name. So this is a process to import the method from the Apex class controller in LWC component. After importing the method, first I create a constant variable that is a columns. This is a array type. Inside the array type, I create a different type of object as a JSON. And each and every object JSON I am passing key and value. So there are different type of the key I am passing like label, field name and sort table. And this is a value. So friends, here I am retrieving the data of account. So here I am creating a field name using the column. So inside the column I define a field name of the account. And this is a key and this is a value. So inside the array I define an object as a JSON format data. Each and every object I passing same type of JSON data. This is a label, field name, and sort table, and each and every key value are different because this is a field name of the account. So here you can see label industry, label type, label website, and this is a field name. each and every object JSON key and value are different. So first I created columns. So first I created a column inside the import method, and here you can see in the export method I created different type of the track variable, and here I also created a track columns. So this column variable I passing to here, and this column track variable I passing to the LWC component here in the column attribute property, and data I am passing from the JavaScript value. So friends, here you can see after created different type of track variable, I getting the data from the Apex class controller. So this is the accounts results. I check if condition if result or data gets successfully, then I am storing the data into the this track variable. Here you can see at the rate track. This is the data. This is a track variable. So I am storing all of the data inside the variable. And this variable I am passing to the LWC component here. If any kind of issue occur during the fetching data, it will be stored inside the error track variable, and data will be undefined. So if data gets successfully, then it will be stored into this variable. If any kind of issue, then it will be data will be undefined, and we will be store the error data inside this variable. After that, I create a function. So friends, here you can see I created two type of function. First function name is handle sort account data, and second function is a sort account data. So in the sort account data, I passing two type of parameter like a field name and direction. And here you can see I define a let variable that is a parse data, and here I am converting JSON to a string format, that is retrieving data from the account. And this function I am passing to this function here. So first I created a function, this function, inside function I passing two type of parameter. So friends, here you can see in this function I am passing this function here, and inside the bracket I am passing two type of the parameter like field name and sort direction, because in this function I am passing two parameter field name and direction. So this function I calling here, and in the bracket I am passing two parameter like a event detail field name and event detail sort direction. So both have the parameter I am passing here, and here you can see sort by and sort direction. So sort by this variable I am passing to here sort by, and sort direction I am passing in the LWC component here. So this variable coming from the here, and this variable coming from here. And here you can see sort by storing the event detail field name, and sort direction store the value event detail sort direction. And this is a function name that is created here. This function I calling inside the here. In the bracket I am passing two value event detail field name and event detail sort direction. So friends, this is a part of the JavaScript. Now let me move on the meta XML file. So friends, in the meta XML file, I created target and targets. So in the target, I mentioned app page, record page, and home page. So friends, this LWC component will be visible on the app page, record page, and home page. Now let me move on the Apex Class controller. So friends, in this lesson, we are retrieving list of the account record and display the data inside the Lightning data table. So first I define a array fetchable equal to true. Then I created a function. Function starting from public static. This is a list of the account. This is the name of the method. And here I am using list of account. This is a variable of the SQL query. And here I am writing SQL query for the account. So select ID name, phone, industry description, tag, website. This is a field name of the account. From account where phone not equal to 9. So friends, here you can see I am using a where clause, and facing the record that is a phone not null. And here I am mentioning a limit 20 because there are so many record in the account object. So only here I am fetching the data that is phone not null and limit 20, because there are so many record data exist in the account. So for the example purpose, I am retrieving only 20 record data of account. After that, I am returning the list of account object. So friends, now let me move on the Salesforce org, where we will be see live demo scenario. So friends, this is my Salesforce attention org. First, go to the gear icon. It is the page, and here I will be calling my LWC component. So my component name is LWC sorting data. So here I will be search LWC sorting data. This is my LWC component, LWC sorting data. Simply select and drag and drop here and save. Save successfully, then go back. So friends, here you can see my component visual on the custom app, and you can see list of record of account display inside the custom app. And here I am displaying the data in the Lightning data table. So you can see this is a name, this is a phone, this is an industry, type, website. And each and every column has a sorting arrow. So if I click on the arrow, it will be sorting. Let's click. You can see automatically sorting the data. You can see automatic sorting the data. Once I click on the phone, it will be ascending and descending order will be sorting. So friends, in this lesson, we are learning how to retrieve data of account in data table and how to sort data ascending and descending order on click. So friends, here you can see if I click on the arrow button, it's down. If I click on the arrow button, it's up. That means it will be sorting ascending and descending order data of column. Each and every column has a arrow button. So when I click, first it is a up, then down. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned how to create a data table with sorting of column by ascending and descending order in LWC component. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be send you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook are Master of X Trigger and second ebook are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check out description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.